Hey man, if y'all don't mind, before we get into the video, follow my Instagram, like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to the video, and I hope y'all enjoy this video. Peace. What's going on, YouTube? What's going on? Back with another video today. Today, just a little POV. I gotta go to the bank, deposit some cash. I just need y'all's help. I don't know what else to do to the Mustang. Like, I need y'all some suggestions. Like, I want some exhaust. I want to get a smaller pulley from my supercharger. Lowering kit. I want to get some drag tires and rims, and I just need some suggestions. Damn, I can't talk today. You know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, if y'all could just help me out in the comments. If y'all want to comment and help me out with some stuff. I've been looking at American Muscles website, and they got some pretty cool stuff in there, but I don't know what to get and stuff. Like, I've been told Corsa Extremes. I've been told just get straights. I've been told, I think it's called MBRP, MRPB, whatever the hell it's called. I don't know what it's called, to be honest. And somebody said smaller top pulley for the Roush supercharger I got could help me get a little bit more power, a little bit more boost. Lowering kit, I found one on there. Lowering, I think it's like lowering springs or something like that. I need some new tires, some new rims. This dang idiot right there about hit the back of me. But new tires, new rims, lowering kit. I want to be louder. That's what I want to do. This car's in the way. But it would be sweet to get that on the car. I just want to be louder and stuff, which would be pretty cool. Old cop just went by. I ain't too worried about it. No. There's another one right there. Cops everywhere today, boy. But yeah, if y'all can leave it out in the comments what would sound good, what would look good on the car. Corsa Extremes, MBRP, then and win another one. But I want to get something where somebody can hear me, Like right now I got the Flow Masters on there, which ain't loud at all. I don't know why. They put it on the car when I got it. I guess they thought it sounded good. But another thing is my car tuned for that exhaust with the Roush supercharger on it and all the other stuff that's on it? Man, I don't know that kind of stuff. So if y'all can help me out with that, that would be awesome. But I mainly just want some new tires for the back, some rims, lowering. I want to lower, but I don't want to be slammed. I just want to look nice. Some new new exhaust. A smaller pulley or whatever for the top. I want something, make my car a little bit faster, look good and shit like that, Be pretty cool. Kind of speeding right now. I'm in Mexico speeding, which I'm not really speeding. I'm going the speed limit. Well, I wouldn't worry about them cops back there. I'm going the speed limit and shit. I got to be at the bank by 5, so we should be all Gucci. So yeah, if y'all can leave a comment. I've been seeing y'all enjoying the videos. I've been doing like these little reels and shit for each video I do, trying to get a little bit more traffic, which would be pretty cool. But I want to see what y'all want to see. So leave down in the comments some suggestions and what kind of videos y'all would like to see. I hope y'all like the new intro I made. It should be on this video, the first one. First video with the new intro I made. It's pretty lit. I made it with Adobe. I mean, it's just a little B-roll, which I've been trying to learn some more editing. So the next Cars and Coffee show, I ain't gonna do as many cars. I'm gonna try and do a little bit more editing on the cars that stand out to me. I'm just gonna be straight up. Cars that stand straight out to me, I'm gonna try and do some little B-roll action of them, which would be pretty cool. See what we got going on. OZ. Come on, man. Lights be taking forever. Y'all heard the new Trippie Redd album? Shit go pretty hard. See, my car idle in here. I just want to be able to hear it. I don't hear nothing. I want to hear something. Can't hear shit. Mustang, you supposed to hear that shit. I know some people like to be undercover, this and that, but man, I bought this car. I want people to know it's a Mustang when it rolls by, you feel me? That's what I like. Man, this damn red light taking forever, boy. I'm about to go. There on sun blinding me and everything else. Oh, we about to go. We about to go. Green light. I'm about to roll up into the bank right now. Oh, calm down, girl. Calm down. Pulling up to the bank. Gonna go put some cash up. I got a free car wash. I need to go buy a car wash. I ain't gonna wait. I'm gonna save it till next Cars and Coffee, I think. I don't even know if it's when it's good, when it runs out, or what. Just pull up and put some money in. Hold on, guys. Let me put the camera down real quick.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? All right, we back. We just left the bank. I had to cut the video off to get some information. But yeah, if y'all don't mind, just leave it in the comments. That's why I just wanted to make a little quick video real quick. Had to get out and do some chores, run to the bank and stuff. And I thought, let me shoot up a little video real quick, which I need to do. I'm trying to do one a week. But yeah, if y'all could just leave down in some comments of what kind of upgrades I should do to my car. Exhaust, lower springs, tires and rims and stuff like that. That would be awesome. But yeah, I highly greatly appreciate y'all hanging out. Hopefully y'all are enjoying these weekly videos of just chilling in the car, driving and shit. So yeah, see y'all in the next video. Peace.